Okay, so what we've done then today is we start. Oops, that's not the right one. We started off trying to understand. So we looked at one of your logic puzzles, and then I set a sort of physical puzzle where you have to, or two physical puzzles, two physical puzzles and one logic puzzle. The first one was um, why does the mirror flip you left to right rather than up and down? We watched a video explaining that, and it's essentially it flips it along the Z direction, not the X or the Y. So it actually flips you inside out. But I won't go into that in too much detail. There is a video you can re-watch about that. We then looked at another mirror puzzle, and this is something that you could try at home. It's an experiment. So what you do is you look at a mirror from a reasonable distance, from a sort of arm's length, and then you take a marker pen, like a whiteboard marker pen, and on the mirror you draw perfectly around your own the reflection of your own head while staying still. So you want to keep your head inside the circle that you're drawing, and then you move slowly towards and slowly away from the mirror whilst trying to keep your head inside the circle. And so we had a prediction about what's going to happen as you do that. And you said that, well, as I move closer, my reflection is not going to be able to stay inside the mirror because the reflection is going to get larger. And as I move away, it's going to get smaller. And so I'll be able to move away. And you even came up with we suggested maybe a sort of a hunch at a quantitative prediction here. So that's something you can do at home. We also looked at something called the Monty Hall problem, which is when you have three doors and there's a prize behind one, which is actually this one, and the other two are booby prizes. And so these are the instructions of the game, and the question is actually what should you do? But you already knew this one, so and you explained the answer quite well to that. I think what would be really good with these kind of questions is to actually be able to write a written explanation that would actually that someone could read and would find it a satisfactory explanation. But we'll end it there. So today was an active learning lesson. We didn't have one yesterday, so we did this today, and it's kind of mixed in with a little bit of physics because we looked at those kind of mirror things. So anyway, I'll stop that video and I'll just put it here.